Want a dessert that looks bakery fancy, but takes weeknight effort? Today we're making no-bake mini cheesecakes with a crunchy sesame pretzel crust and a salted maple miso swirl, and yes, it's as good as it sounds. Here's what you need: pretzels, toasted sesame, brown sugar, and coconut oil for the crust. Then cream cheese, Greek yogurt, powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, salt, and whipped cream for the filling, plus maple syrup and white miso for the swirl. First, crush your pretzels into fine crumbs. A few tiny chunks are totally fine, they add great crunch. Mix in toasted sesame, brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon, then pour in melted coconut oil until it looks like wet sand. Press about 1 tablespoon into each liner and press like you mean it. A tight pack is the difference between clean minis and a crumbly mess. Then chill the pan while we make the filling. This is the secret: whisk maple syrup with white miso until smooth. It tastes like salted caramel. With a little extra wow, add a tiny splash of neutral oil for shine and easier swirling. Whip cold heavy cream to soft peaks, think smooth and billowy, not stiff. Pop it in the fridge for a minute. In a separate bowl, beat softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth. If your cream cheese is cold, you'll get lumps, so let it soften first. Add Greek yogurt, powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt, then beat again until creamy and glossy. Now fold in the whipped cream into additions. Go gentle, this air is what helps the cheesecake set up light and stable. Pipe or spoon the filling nearly to the top. Add about a half teaspoon of the maple miso ripple, then swirl with a toothpick just 2 or 3 figure eights. Chill for at least 2 hours. 3 is even better, until the centers feel set. For the full recipe, substitutions, and troubleshooting tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.